We start. We're going to paper 1, May, June 2020, Business AS. The case study is there anyway, but we just have to go down. It said, read extract A. You have extract A already. It said, divide the term market share. So we talk about market share, it's simply talking about the brand sale, the total brand sale divided by the total market sale multiplied by 100. Writing the formula, you get your full mark. Or the percentage of the sales in a market that is controlled by a specific brand. Or the percentage of sales controlled by Samsung in the market for mobile, in the market for television. That is what market share is. Is it clear? Is it clear now, please? Then I have question B. A retailer decreases the price of a Samsung television from $800 to $780. Sales of that television increases from $9,000 to $9,450. So the point is here that based on the law of demand, when the price is less, the quantity demanded increases. That is what simply happens here. Now, they said calculate the price elasticity of demand. For the television, you are advised to show your working. When we talk about price elasticity of demand, is the degree of responsiveness between the quantity demanded of a product as a result of a change in price. Then the formula for price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Here we have our Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 divided by P2 minus P1 over P1. Our P1 is 800, which is the initial price or original price. Then P2 is a change in price. Q1 is the original quantity, which is 9,000, and Q2 is the change in quantity, which is as a result of a fall in price. Now to do that, PED is 9,450 minus 9,000 over 9,000 divided by 780 minus 800 divided by 800. I did not even use a calculator, I only simplified. Here, 9,450 minus 9,000 gives us 450 over 9,000 divided by 780 minus 80, which is minus 20 over 800. Then I switch it. Then we have 800 here, reciprocal, 800 and minus 20. You don't even have to, you don't need a calculator. So the excuse of finding the calculator is not more there. So now I simplified. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. 9 in 45 is 5. 8 in 2 minus 4. 5 here. 9 in this is 5. This is 25 in 24. 8 divided by minus 4. Minus 2. Then we don't even need a calculator. We only have to simplify, taking all the zeros away. So the answer is minus 2. That's PED, percentage change in quantity demanded about percentage change in price. Done. We have question C. Analyze two methods that Samsung might have used to build its brand. When we talk about a brand is a unique name of a product. A unique name of a product. That's the first thing you have to say. Then Samsung might have been able to create a brand through the following ways. One, through advertisement. When we talk about advertisement increases the awareness about a product. It increases the awareness about a product. So here I wrote, advertisement. This increases the awareness about the new product on the market, as this may persuade customers. Yes?
You use sponsorships and use social media.
Yes, it's part of awareness, yes. So as this may persuade customers to choose Samsung rather than those of its competitors, as it means Samsung was able to advertise its Galaxy Note 9, based on the case study, cut across different cities around the world. That is what advertisement is doing. Then, because that has happened, it puts Samsung brand in the mind of customers. As a result of that, they might be looking out for Samsung. That is for advertisement. Then the other one is unique selling point, USP. I want to talk about USP. Based on the case study I wrote, Samsung was the first to produce a watch that can recognize the owner through their veins. This can be considered as product innovation, and that may lead to brand recognition. So there's unique selling points. It was the first to create a product that would recognize the individual through the vein. So that is a unique selling point, different from those of its competitors. So as a result of that, we start looking out for that recognition. And when there's brand recognition, it brings about brand loyalty. Do you get the point here?
Yeah.
So Samsung is able to differentiate itself from its competitors by creating the first phone which will identify you through your veins. That is the unique selling point we're talking about.
Can we use other points? They did 3 points.
Okay.
Can we use even the other points?
Yes, you can. I think it's clear now. We go to question D. Discuss the benefits for a business such as Samsung of using secondary research when developing new products. When we talk about new products simply means a product that is about to be introduced to the market. Yes or no? So when we talk about secondary research is a desk research. These are research that has been gathered by a researcher, but you are using it to make your own decision. That is what secondary research is. So another name for secondary research is called desk research. Clear. So here I wrote, secondary research is a desk research, which allows businesses to use information on data from past researchers for their research. That is why it is secondary or desk. The benefit of using secondary research are as follows. One, it saves time. How does it save time? It saves time because those data that have been gathered can be gathered through journals or through internet. So because it's been gathered through journals or websites, which means Samsung can quickly collect information about price and products of its competitors. So most of the time, businesses would want to know more about their competitors because they can use the weakness of their competitors to gain a competitive advantage over them. So Samsung can use websites or journals to see the price other competitors are charging, to see the kind of products they have in display. That allows Samsung to even make its own product or to even set its own price. That is the first point of the benefits there of secondary research. Do we get it? Do you get it or not, please? The second one, it reduces